Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathsphobia. In the previous video, we have completed theory of equation. Now in this video, let's complete permutation.
Combination.
The first sum is given as NP4 is equals to 1680. Then find the value of n. Solution. It is given that NP4 is equals to 168. So NP4 is equals to 168 into 10. So 168 can be divided by 8, which gives you 21 into 10 into 8. So NP4 equals to 21 can be written as 7 into 3, 10 can be written as 2 into 5, and 8 is 8. So NP4 is equals to 8 into 7 into 6, 3 2 is 6 into 5. NP4 is equals to 8P4. So this is 8765, that is 4. So as the bases are equal, equate this. So n equals to 8. That's it. So coming to the next sum, it is given that n plus 1 p5 by n p6 is equals to 2 powers 2 by 7. Solution, he has to find the value of n. So n plus 1 p5, this can be written as np6 is equals to 2 by 7. The formula of npr is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So remember this formula. With using this formula, convert this. N plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus r is 5 factorial whole by, this can be written as n factorial by n minus 6 factorial equals to 2 by 7. Next step, n plus 1 factorial by 1 minus 5 n minus 4 factorial. If this comes to the numerator, it becomes n minus 6 factorial by n factorial equals to 2 by 7. N plus 1 factorial can be written as n plus 1 into n factorial, and n minus 4 factorial can be written as n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial. So substitute the values. N plus 1 into n factorial by n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial into n minus 6 factorial by n factorial equals to 2 by 7. N minus 6 factorial, n minus 6 factorial, n factorial gets cancelled. So cross multiply into 1 is equals to 2 into n minus 5. So 7n plus 7 is equals to 2n minus 10. 2 to that side and 7 to this side. 7n minus 2n is equals to minus 10. Sorry, in this you will get n minus 4 also. So I will be continuing this sum in the next page. So 7n plus 7 is equals to 2 into n square minus 9n plus 20. 7n plus 7 equals to 2n square minus 18n plus 40. 2n square minus 18n minus 7n plus 40 minus 7 equals to 0. 2n square minus 25n plus 33. So splitting the middle term, this 2 value gives us the value of 66. So we can write 23 into 3, 22 into 3. So 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 equals to 0. So 2n common, n minus 11 minus 3 common, n minus 11 equals to 0. So finally the value of n is 3 by 2 or n is equals to 11. In the partial fractions, in permutation and combination, n value cannot be in fractions. So the value of n is 11. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that if np7 is equals to 42 into np5, then find the value of n. As before sum, we are going to solve in the same method. np7, bring this np5 to the denominator, is equals to 42. Apply NPR formula, n factorial by n minus 7 factorial by n factorial by n minus 5 factorial equals to 42. So bring this to the numerator, n minus 7 factorial into n minus 5 factorial by n factorial equals to 42. N factorial gets cancelled. So n minus 5 factorial can be written as n minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial. We have to continue this process until you get this. So we can eliminate the factorial terms. So substitute this, n minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial by n minus 7 factorial equals to 42. N minus 7 factorial cancel. So this is n square minus 11n plus 30 minus 42 equals to 0. N square minus 11n minus 12 equals to 0. Splitting the middle term, n square minus 12n plus n minus 12 equals to 0. N into n minus 12 plus 1 into n minus 12 equals to 0. So n is 12. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that if 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 equals to 13pr. Solution. npr equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Apply this formula, that is 12 factorial by 12 minus 5 factorial plus 5 into 12 factorial by 12 minus 4 factorial is equals to 13pr. So 12 factorial by, this is 7 factorial plus 5 into 12 factorial by 8 factorial is equals to 13pr. So 12 factorial can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So apply this, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 7 factorial plus 5 into this 12 factorial, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, because you are having 8 in the denominator. So to eliminate 8, we have to write up to 8 factorial. 13pr, sorry. So 7 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 8 factorial gets cancelled. So take common 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. So you are left with 8 plus 5 into 1 is equals to 13pr. So this is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into, and this value is 8 plus 5, that is 13, is equals to 13pr. So this can be written as 13 into p. You are having how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be written as 13p5. as n value is same, r values equate r values, so r equals to 5. That's it. So coming to the next sum, it is given that NC21 equals to NC27. Then find the value of 49CN. So in the previous sums we have solved permutation. From this sum we are solving combination sums. So solution. There is a formula in combination that NCR equals to NCS. R equals to S or N equals to R plus S. But in the given sum, R is not equals to S, as 21 is not equals to 27. So let's use the formula N equals to R plus S. So N is equals to 21 plus 27, which is 48. So substitute N in the value of this. So 49C 48 is equals to. So NCR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is 49 factorial by 49 minus 48 factorial into 48 factorial. So this can be written as 49 factorial by 48 factorial. 49 can be written as 49 into 48 factorial by 48 factorial. 48 factorial, 48 factorial gets cancelled. So the final answer is 49. That's it. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that 12C r plus 1 equals to 12C 3r minus 5. Then find the value of r. Solution. NCR equals to NCS. R equals to S or N equals to R plus S. To find the value of R, we are using the second formula. N is equals to R plus S, where N equals to 12, R equals to R plus 1 and S is equals to 3R minus 5. Substitute this. 12 is equals to R plus 1 into 3R minus 5. 12 equals to 4R minus 4. 4 to the LHS. 4R. So this is 16 equals to 4R and the value of R is 4. That's it. So coming to the next sum, it is given that find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Before going into the problem, let's discuss a formula, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. So using this formula, we are solving this sum. So that is 10C5 plus, this is twice 10C4. So 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C3. So these two terms are in the formula of NCR into N minus NCR minus 1. So that is N plus 1. 10 plus 1 CR. R is 5. Similarly, these two are in the formula of this. So this is 10 plus 1 into C. R is 4. So the final the value of this is 11C5 plus 11C4. Again the product is in the form of this formula. So that is 11 plus 1 C. R is 5. So the final answer is 12C5. If you find this video to be informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.